If you've ever found yourself wishing your computer would open web links in Google Chrome automatically instead of Microsoft Edge, today's video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch your default web browser in Windows 10 or Windows 11 from Edge to Chrome, making your browsing experience faster, more familiar, and streamlined. Let's dive right in. The first step is to change your default browser. And while it sounds technical, it's actually just a series of simple clicks. Here's how you do it, step by step. We'll begin by opening up Windows Settings. To do this, click on the Start menu, usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the familiar Windows logo. When you click that, look for the gear icon, which represents your settings. It's often right above the power button. If you don't see it at first, don't worry. You can also type Settings into the search bar next to the Start menu, and it should pop right up. Once you're in Settings, you'll see a variety of categories. What we want is Apps, so go ahead and click on that. Apps is where Windows lets you change program defaults, uninstall apps, and generally customize your experience. Inside the Apps menu, look for a tab or section called Default Apps. Click this and you'll see a list of the default programs for things like email, maps, music, and of course, web browsing. Take a second here to look at the options, just to familiarize yourself. Knowing how to change defaults for other programs might come in handy in the future. Now, scroll down until you find the web browser section. This can be a little bit further down the page, so don't rush. You should see an icon and the name of your current browser, most likely Microsoft Edge, since that's what Windows uses out of the box. Click on the browser name itself. Doing this will open a pop-up window with a list of installed browsers on your system. If you don't see Chrome as an option here, you might need to install it first and come back. But assuming Chrome is installed, just click on Google Chrome in that list. That choice tells Windows, hey, from now on, when I open a link, use Chrome. You might notice Windows prompting you with a message encouraging you to stick with Edge. That's totally normal. Microsoft really wants you to use their browser, but this is your computer, so go ahead and confirm your selection for Chrome. And just like that, you've switched your default browser. From now on, all those web links you click in emails, documents, or anywhere else will automatically open in Chrome, making life a little easier if that's the browser you know and love. If anything didn't work, say Chrome wasn't showing up in the list, or the change didn't stick, try restarting your computer, or double-checking that Chrome is definitely installed. These little hiccups happen, but they're almost always an easy fix. So that's how you switch from Edge to Chrome in Windows. Quick, but really empowering if you prefer Chrome's features, speed, or interface. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. And if you have any questions, comments, or get stuck along the way, drop a message below. I'll jump in and help you out. Thanks for watching.